Are you all missing your classroom nowadays? So let's draw your classroom today. First, I will draw the structure of your classroom. Next, draw the blackboard. Now, I will draw the figure of your teacher, right? She is trying to write something on the blackboard. Now draw her table and chair. Let's draw some books and pen for her. This is chair for your teacher. You may notice all these things I have drawn right now are very easy to draw. Now I will draw the benches for the students. These are the students. You have to draw just small circle and below that one oval, and that makes the figure of the student. Is not it very easy? Don't forget to add the legs which can be seen from the below the bench. In a similar manner, I will draw few students in this side also. Just changing the hairstyle, you can make little boy or little girl, right? You have to draw decks for them, and which is very easy to draw by using few rectangles and lines. Now draw big windows for the classroom, which will provide bright sunlight and air. Now it is time to decorate the classroom. Our drawing is almost complete. Is not the drawing super easy? Now we will give the outline with black sketch pen, and be careful when you are doing the bordering of your drawing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload a video. Now it is time to erase all the pencil marks so that our drawing will be very neat and clean, and it will be ready for coloring. Today I will use different medium for the coloring, that is plastic crayons from Camel. I will use bright yellow color for the classroom. Here I have used two sets of yellow for this oval. Instead of using black color, I have used dark grey color for the board. I used mixture of brown and black color for hair and yellow ochre for her skin. I have chosen different shades of pink for her dress. You can choose different color of your choice. Generally, table, chair, desks and benches are made of wood. That's why I have chosen light and dark shade of brown. I will use same yellow color for other two walls also. For grass patterns of the wall, I have used dark and light green both. And for the flowers, I have chosen red and orange. I colored the rods of the window with grey, and we can see the sky from the window. So that's why I have colored it with the sky blue color. Same way I will color this side also. these kids are in school uniform. So I will color their dresses with same color. Again, I will use dark and light brown color for bench and desks as they are made of wood. I am drawing the check pattern on their dresses with the violet color. Color the floor with the grey color. You can write any messages on this board. Hope you enjoy today's drawing. If you like it, please share it with your friends and try to draw by yourself. Thank you.